Despite President Donald Trump's legal maneuvers and what many called a monumental victory in the Supreme Court, federal judges across the United States continue to push back against his most controversial policies. Even though the court limited the use of so-called nationwide injunctions, measures that block a policy across the country, lower courts have found ways to sidestep those restrictions. The key: class action lawsuits. Under this legal figure, judges can protect entire groups of people affected by a presidential policy, even if the Supreme Court tries to narrow that reach. And that's exactly what's happening now. One of the most heated fronts is Trump's attempt to end birthright citizenship. An executive order he signed denies that right to children of immigrants who aren't citizens or legal residents. But a judge in New Hampshire is now considering whether that policy can be blocked nationwide through a class action suit on behalf of the affected infants. If accepted, it would be a major setback for the White House. And that's not the only case. Another federal judge already blocked Trump's policy that denies asylum to migrants at the southern border. How? By declaring that all affected migrants form a protected class. In other words, the judge found a legal shortcut to uphold a nationwide block without using a direct universal injunction. Courts have also stopped the Trump administration from ending immigration protections for Haitians and have ordered the restoration of public health web pages removed by the government itself. Despite Trump's efforts to centralize power within the executive branch, judicial resistance hasn't backed down. Judges are using alternative legal tools to keep defending fundamental rights and liberties. What's at stake isn't just an immigration policy or a website, but the balance of power in the United States. And while Trump promises more control, the courts seem determined to keep the fight for legality and due process alive. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you next time.